If you're the grounds manager of a facility with a murky or dirty pond or lagoon, it can be unsightly for customers and unhealthy for the pond itself. Keep watching this video to learn how State can revitalize your pond. If your pond is facing problems like sick wildlife, algal blooms, or aquatic mortality, it's past time to consider a solution. Today, let's talk about State's Pond Program, a line of products designed to revitalize the visual appeal of your pond without harming the wildlife. There's a good bit of information to understand why your pond looks green and sickly and just how you can reverse it. So let's jump in. Why do I need to worry about my pond? Today, we have vast industrial, commercial, agricultural, and residential developments that contribute negatively to aquatic ecosystems. When excess nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus are deposited into a larger body of water, such as your pond or lagoon, it can lead to nutrient pollution. If left unaddressed, too much nitrogen or phosphorus in water can lead to a process called eutrophication. Algae will overgrow on the water's surface, which blocks sunlight and depletes water oxygen. Everything that grows will die and settle on the bottom, creating a muck layer that produces hydrogen sulfide, which further accelerates the eutrophication of a pond. This process will only worsen over time and can lead to a total death of the ecosystem in your pond. How do State's solutions work? State's Pond Program is designed to mitigate algal blooms, break down the muck layer, break down the buildup of surface debris, address excess phosphorus and nitrogen, and finally, improve the color of your pond. We do this by utilizing biological products that create a colony of beneficial bacteria that outcompete the bad bacteria that can cause eutrophication. While a chemical treatment can quickly address concerns with algae, the problem will always come back and worse than ever before. Using biological products compared to chemical treatment is safer for the environment and will treat the issues at their source. A biological treatment for a pond is like eating your vegetables. It helps to keep the pond healthy. State's biological program will lead to bioaugmentation, a process where desirable microorganisms grow quickly to replace bad bacteria and remove excess nitrogen from the pond. Over time, this will lead to noticeable positive changes in your pond and restore it to a more healthy, neutral state. What is included in State's Pond Program? First off, let's talk about the most important part of the treatment, AquaJolt Pond Restorer. It is designed to break down organic matter and mitigate excess nitrogen in the environment, which will in turn mitigate algal blooms, muck layer, and oxygen depletion in your pond. This will result in pond clarification and water restoration. It can be boosted using AquaJolt Sludge Reduction Booster, a biological stimulant that makes restoration processes work more quickly and more effectively by targeting the muck layer and reducing hydrogen sulfide. These two biological treatments are the best solutions to start with. What if my pond's problems are severe? For more severe problems, you can add in additional solutions to your program. AquaJolt bioenzyme packets are water-soluble packets that help break down organic surface debris like leaves and twigs. It also helps to kickstart bioaugmentation by aiding nutrient absorption of cells. If your pond is losing its visual appeal, check out AquaJolt Light Reducing Blue Dot. Its blue color will increase the visual appeal of your pond and will also help to reduce light penetration in the water, which mitigates excess plant and algae growth. This product is cost-effective. You won't need too much to see results. Next, sources of water like ponds attract bugs. Many bug control solutions can be harmful to aquatic life, but not AquaJolt Aquatic Insect Control. AquaJolt Aquatic Insect Control is EPA registered, cost-effective, and efficient against bugs like midges and mosquitoes. It's non-toxic to fish and other animals, lasts up to 14 days, and will not harm the aesthetics of the pond. Lastly, let's talk about AquaJolt Phosphorus Control. If there are high levels of phosphorus in your pond leading to excessive algal overgrowth, This biological will work to mitigate that issue by jump-starting microbial processes to reduce phosphorus and nitrogen. It provides oxygen to circulate phosphate inhibitors, aiding in pond clarification and significantly mitigating algal growth. How do I know what solutions to use? When you're on an agreement with State Chemical, your representative will conduct a visual survey and pH test on your pond to determine the best solution. In addition, your rep will apply the product and return to your facility periodically to adjust the application if needed and ensure you get the results you wanted. Biological products take time, but State Chemical will be there every step of the way to ensure our solutions meet your expectations. How much does a pond program cost? Typically, a pond maintenance program with State Chemical may cost you around this amount, but price can vary depending on what is required to solve your pond's specific issues. Now that you've learned how to transform your pond or lagoon, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to speak to a representative and keep not only the health, but also the visual appeal of your pond or lagoon for good.